What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you a way to create unlimited designs with a few clicks. You might say, how can we do it? Well, Vexels have just come out with brand new PSD templates for Photoshop, which allow you to come up with brand new design variations with literally a few clicks. It could take a few seconds to come up with new designs. I'm going to show you how it all works. It's brilliant. For those of you who don't know Vexels, they're one of the leading graphic design companies. They do graphic elements, merch ready designs, literally the works. By now I'm sure I don't need to explain to you the value of a great design. You might find a good niche, but if you don't have a great design to upload to it, then you're not going to sell, unfortunately. It's just the way it works in POD. People are not going to buy a crappy design. The great thing about these designs is they've been designed by professionals, and all you need to do is come in, change a few things, add a new picture or change the text or add a new font, and you'll come up with a brand new design variation based on the template that they provide. I'm going to go through it so you know what I mean. So follow with me until the end so you know how it works. I'm going to leave you the design templates link down below in the description, so make sure you download it. Okay, so when you click on the link, you'll find a page that looks similar to this. And this is where you find all the PSD templates for Photoshop. Look at this. Amazing, guys. All of these things, right? You can change them. You can change the colors. You can change the text, the font. You can change the phrase. You can change the pictures, the photos, the shapes, everything, guys. You literally can create unlimited design variations of the same concept. It's amazing. So let's say, for example, we're looking at this one right here. Cool story. You download it and then you open it on Photoshop. Like so. What can we change about this design? Well, we can change the phrase. At the moment it says cool story. Maybe we can put vintage 1980. We can also change the color or the gradient, and we can change the picture inside it, or we can take it off completely, like so. And how does the whole concept work, right? You've got all these layers that you can play around with to come up with different variations. So I want to change the text first. It says here text, double click. So I'm going to double click here. This is text number 1, and then select it. And then maybe we'll put vintage. It has to match the space provided. We'll transform it. I'm going to click Alt and drag, and then you confirm, and then you save. We go to the first page, and there you go. It replaced it straight away, guys. Amazing. We go to the next text and then we put 1980. We'll click on Alt and then drag. This way we fill the whole canvas. We want to make sure that it looks aesthetic. Perfect. Save. Let's say we want to change the gradients. We'll change it to this one. There you go. Vintage 1980. Done. It's that easy. And then you can scale it like that. 1981, 1982. You can put classic and then change the birth year. So many variations, guys. Next, let's say we want this one right here. Firstly, you go and download it and then open it on Photoshop. So we open the template. Again, same thing. You can take the background off, by the way, like so, and just keep it transparent. Let's change the text. We'll change it to something like vintage 1980 again. Save. Check this out, guys. As soon as you save, it shows vintage 1980 and it keeps the same effects. And then you can choose to take the background off, and then you'll have a transparent PNG. Export for web, and you're done. That's how you create designs, and then you can position it however you want, etc, etc. Let's check out this Hawaii design. Again, we download it and then we open it on Photoshop. So in this PSD, we can change the text, we can change the font, we can change the colors, we can change the texture, the image inside it as well, everything. You can literally come up with very distinctive designs using this PSD. So let's try and change the text. Let's put maybe Belize. Okay, and then we save. Done. As soon as you click save, it changes. Now let's change the colors. We've got 5 color variations. So let's say we want to change from red to blue. It wouldn't go, but for the sake of it. And then let's change this one to orange. Save, and it reflects here. This is beautiful. It's amazing. Now we can change the image. We can change the texture as well. We just double click on the texture like so. And by the way, you can add any texture to the PSD. It's completely up to you, but these are the options that you have included in the PSD. So this is option number 1. We can either add another option or change it. So we can add this option, for example, save, and then watch it change. Look at that, completely brand new texture. Let's change the picture, and the options that you have are levels. So you can change the levels of the picture, so the exposure, etc, etc. You can have it black and white or keep the original colors of the image, like so. You can change the pattern if you want, or have no pattern, and we can add our own image to the PSD. We could either use Vexels or we could get one from Google. example, let's try Vexels. They have free royalty-free pictures. There's many that we could use like Pixabay and other platforms. So let's say beach. I kind of like this image right here, so let's try this one. And once you've downloaded it, all you have to do is drag the image like so onto the PSD. Make sure that it's before image and then scale it up. Amazing. And then save. It's no longer a palm tree. Now this is the picture of the beach, what we've just downloaded now. What you could do with this, guys, is you could either use the same layers that you have here in the PSD and use variations from them. So what I would do in this situation, I would maybe add all the holiday destinations and different pictures, maybe Belize, and many different pictures and many different colors. So there's so many variables, guys. Or you could actually add new variables. Maybe you could add different shapes of colors. You could change the font. I don't see an end to the variations that you can create with this. So you could create designs like this. It's mind-blowing, guys. So look at this one here. It's abstract. I don't think I've ever seen any design like this on Merch by Amazon. And the beauty of it is it's up to your imagination to come up with new variables. Really, you just need to expand your imagination. You could create designs like this in a heartbeat just by changing a couple of things on the PSD. You get the gist of it, right? Look at that, Pug Life. These designs are super cool. Imagine you'll be able to take your design quality all the way up here. Competition won't matter anymore because you'll have really high quality designs. Even more importantly, the speed at which you can create designs is unparalleled. I mean, I myself, I've started using these templates, and trust me, designs that used to take me 15 minutes, I can make in like not even a minute. It's just a question of changing the text and changing the color, and yeah, that's it, done. You can make them a lot more complex by adding more layers, by changing the colors, by adding more textures, and you'll be so different from the competition. Now you might say, if somebody else gets them from Vexels, they'll have the same designs. Well, they won't, because you'll be able to change the picture, you'll be able to change the text, you'll be able to change even the layout, everything. This is basically a starting point of a really highly professional design that you can change however you want. So instead of thinking about the template or the concept, you've got the concept. You just need to add value to it and make it your own. That's pretty much it. And if you can't do that, guys, I'm afraid you're in the wrong game. Look at that animal head. You can have many animals in this design. Let's try this one. Okay, so maybe you could have a lion head. Okay, let's download this one, for example. Again, to add the lion head or the lion face to this PSD, we double click on this layer and then we place the picture right here. So let's drop it on the canvas, we scale it up, and then we save, and then boom, we've got ourselves a brand new design. We can take the background off, we can change the textures. So instead of having this shape, maybe we could have this one here. Now let's save. Look, this is how it shows. Let's try this one. Look at that, beautiful. You could also change the textures or add your own. Look at that, this is how it changes. Wow, beautiful. This is amazing, guys. Just save and it will reflect here. And bear in mind, not only can you do this for t-shirt designs, but you could actually transform them to phone cases, pop sockets. These designs would be amazing for pop sockets. You could use them for KDP. Creating a design like this from scratch, I'm sure you'll appreciate that. It will take you a long time, but doing it like so, it's a matter of seconds. I'm not going to go through them all, but as you can see, there's so many PSDs available that you can download, play around with them, create different variations, and just upload. The designs are amazing. They're professionally created, so you're not gonna have any issue with quality whatsoever. I'm so impressed with them. It's something that I haven't seen done before anywhere else, so I would strongly advise you guys to check them out and see what you think. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. The PSDs themselves are completely free, but you'd need to have a subscription with Vexels. I've managed to get discount for you guys from Vexels. By the way, the subscription allows you to download design elements, ready merch by Amazon designs that you can literally just upload. So basically, if you download the design from Vexels, you'll be able to upload it to merch by Amazon with no issue. Even if 2 or 3 people upload the same design to merch by Amazon, this is because the copyright is owned by Vexels and it gives you the license. So therefore, anyone who has the license is able to upload the design anywhere they want with no issues, but they cannot claim copyright because simply they don't own the copyright to that design. With your subscription, you can also request designs, so you can submit design requests and they will make you the design however you want it, and they'll upload it to the dashboard and you can download it from there in a matter of a couple of days, and it's all included in your subscription. Personally, I used to use FreePic all the time, but I've realized that everybody is using the same graphic elements, but with Vexels the quality is absolutely amazing and they have unique graphic elements and graphic designs. So yeah, I can't stress enough, guys, the importance of having great designs to be able to sell and make good money from POD, and a little investment in your Vexels subscription will go a long way, trust me on that. Plus, I'm giving you discounts with my link down below in the description. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. I want to support you guys in your POD journey, so if you want me to cover any topic in the future, more than happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments. Also, many people are now designing for Halloween, so I've asked Vexels to create you guys, especially for you, a free Halloween bundle that you can download. I'm going to leave you the link in the description. Another quick announcement, I don't know if you guys have seen from my other videos, I've mentioned that I'm now working on a comprehensive Merch by Amazon course where I teach you everything that I know about Merch by Amazon, so many skills and tricks, everything that I've learned in the past 3 years, and that has allowed me to sell more than $1 million of sales in Merch by Amazon USA alone, not to mention UK and Germany. The course will have limited seats, as you can imagine, so if you're interested, make sure you register your interest. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description. Anyone who's registered their interest, they will get priority to having a seat on the course. If you found this video useful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe and hit that notification button to get video updates. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.